Okay, we just finished eating. Peter's still eating a bit. Peter's still eating a bit. You can't really see his face. He looks a bit like he's telling a scary story. So does Rory. But Rory finished eating his baked beans ages ago, which is boiled, but he still said they tasted good. Fire's still going. I think he came in all night. Someone's screaming.
Not the bird.
No, it's not.
It is. You like that bird. Are you still recording?
Yeah, sorry. Something.
Freaking bird, you... This way. Listen to a couple of times. Are you sure?
Well, birds scream really scarily. Like, it's really scary.
Like an owl or some shit. Wait. Are you sure? Positive. Why would a person be screaming that many times?
That's really scary.
Oh, well, it's in the distance.
Sounds like it's getting closer.
No, that's... Shut up, sorry.
No, yeah, it's probably just my imagination.
Anyway.
Something keeps responding to it.
Yeah, it's just bird.
Before it sounded like it was over there, now it sounds like it's over there. Okay, anyway, this recording's going for too long. That's really scary, guys. I'm gonna start recording now.